Hello everyone, I am Dattatrayanikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is Piping Engineering Part 27. Piping design is a critical component of an engineering project and a process plant. The science of a piping engineering involves developing efficient piping processes that safely transport fluid and gases across industrial plant. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created and published on our channel eFunda, for which separate playlists are being created. You can visit and watch all those videos. And if you are new to our channel, then press subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is a piping engineering part 27. Introduction to piping engineering. Within industry, piping is a system of a pipe used to convey fluid, that is a liquid and a gases, from one location to another location. The engineering discipline of a piping design studies the efficient transport of a fluid. One can refer to the piping picture where you can see how systematically pipings are being installed so as to transfer the fluid from one location to another. Piping design is a critical component of an engineering project and a process plan. The science of a piping engineering involves developing efficient piping processes that safely transport fluids and gases across industrial plant. Industrial process piping and accompanying inline component can be manufactured from wood, fiberglass, glass, steel, aluminium, plastic, copper, and concrete. The inline component, known as a fitting, valves, and other devices, typically sense and control the pressure, flow rate, and temperature of a transmitted fluid, and usually are included in the field of a piping design or a piping engineering, though the sensors and automatic controlling devices may alternatively be treated as part of instrumentation and control design. One can see another picture where pipings are being installed. Considering the service application, various types of colors are shown so as to identify which type of a liquid are passed through those line, or those particular lines are being used for particular services. Piping systems are documented in a piping and instrumentation diagram, that is a PNIDs. If necessary, pipes can be cleaned by the tube cleaning processes. This is what all about the piping engineering. Throughout this video, we will see about more details related to the piping engineering. Part of a multidiscipline engineering, that is MDE. One can refer to the picture where the industrial plant is shown, and the another picture where various disciplines are shown. First, starting from process engineering, civil structure engineering, mechanical engineering, plant design and piping engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering. Whereas piping design and piping engineering are the key elements of this industrial plant, where the piping is designed to consider that the passing of a fluid from one point to another point, a specific type of a pipe design is being implemented with the help of piping material specification and considering the area of a service into the process plant area. And specifically for this reason only, we are creating piping engineering a playlist and thought to prepare the videos so that it will be helpful while the engineer working for plant design and a piping engineering. Starting piping engineering, it is better to understand fundamentals of a piping engineering. There are various ASME codes are being used for piping. Most of the plant facilities in the petrochemical and hydrocarbon industry will use ASME B31.3 code for design of a process piping. The introduction section of the code clarifies that This aspect of ASME B31.3 and ASME 31.3 provides ample guidance and set of rules on the following aspects of a piping design. We will see one by one. First, references to applicable material specification and a component standard, including a dimensional requirement and a pressure temperature rating. Second, a requirement for design of a component and assemblies including pipe support. Third, a requirement and a data for evaluation and a limitation of a stresses, a reaction associated with the pressure, temperature changes and other variable forces. Fourth, guidance and a limitation on selection and application of a material, components and a joining method. Fifth, requirements for fabrication, assembly and erection of a piping. Sixth, requirements for examination, inspection and testing of a piping. Based on this fundamental, piping engineering process is proceeded for design of an entire petrochemical or hydrocarbon industry or a process plant. We will see the detail of a piping discipline in next slide. Piping engineering and design competencies. Piping engineering broadly involves the following competencies: plant layout, equipment layout, piping materials, piping support, piping stress analysis, CAD or 3D modeling. Typically, piping engineering organizational setup can be seen into the picture where piping department manager and further goes down below to the piping lead engineer, and then further it is divided into the sections, that is a lead piping material engineer, lead piping layout and design, lead piping stress engineer, lead piping support engineer, and further below the support is from the various types of engineering and a draftsman team, that is a piping material engineers, piping designer and a draftsman, piping 3D modeling group for layout and design, piping stress engineer for stress engineering, then piping support engineering under piping support engineering section. This is how the piping engineering is categorically divided. Piping engineering, that is a plant design and a piping engineering. This group carries out an entire range of activities with stress analysis, conceptual planning and studies, 3D modeling, isometrics, pipe support, interference check, as well as the creation of a design reviews and various types of reports. Specialized tools being used are AutoCAD, Caesar 2, Isogen, MicroStation, Orthogen, PDS, SmartPlant 3D and other platform for 3D modeling, Global Server, Pelican Forge Pipe Support Modeler, SmartPlant Material, SmartPlant Review, SmartPlant Spoolgen and a Smart Sketches are the tool being used by the piping discipline. The various types of services included are: A, complete plant layout services including equipment arrangement, plot plan development and a conceptual layout. B, 2D and 3D equipment and piping modeling. C, static and dynamic piping stress analysis. D, laser scanning and as building services. E, complete piping material management services including pipe specification and a reference database, that is RDB development and maintenance. F, procurement of a piping material and a specialty item. G, site construction, support services and many other activities are part of these piping engineering activities. Piping engineering deliverables. The piping engineering discipline is responsible for various types of deliverables which are listed below. Different organizations and different regions of the world may use alternative terminologies or prepare additional deliverables depending on the scale of the project, which are included in the brackets. First are a plot plan, that is overall plot plan and a unit plot plan. Second, equipment layout. Third, a piping general arrangement drawing, that is a piping plans or a piping GADs. Fourth, piping sections and a detail usually included as part of a piping plan. Fifth, conceptual piping layouts or study piping layout. Sixth, piping isometric. Seven, line designation table, that is a line list or a line schedule. 8, tine schedule, that is a tine index. 9, nozzle orientation drawing. 10, piping demolition drawing. 11, pipe support detail. 12, material takeoff, that is a bill of material or MTO. 13, piping material classes. 14, piping specification. 15, specialty item list. 16, data sheet for valves. 17, data sheets for piping special. 18, technical bid evaluation. 19, piping stress analysis report. 20, 3D piping model. These are the some of the piping engineering deliverables are listed. Keep watching these piping engineering related videos to grab the knowledge related to the piping engineering discipline. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.